If you want to learn trading but don't know where to begin, in this video we are breaking down the Finelo trading app, a platform designed to help beginners and aspiring traders understand the financial markets in a simple and interactive way. Finelo is not a traditional trading platform. Instead, it focuses on education, AI tools, and practice, helping users build skills before risking with real money. So now let's walk through on how it works, whether it's actually useful. So firstly, setting up with Finalo. So getting started with Finalo is quick and beginner friendly. So what you can do on your browser, you can go to finalo.com. So that's the official website. Go to finalo.com and you will get to this page here. Once you're on this page, you can click on this get started option. So click on the get started option and you will get to this screen here. And here what we have to do is you have to just answer these questions. So answer just a few questions about yourself and then just start up your with your age and all those things. So it's just going to be like a little small quiz. Answer that and then you'll get to the account creation page where you will need your email address and a password to set up, and your account will be set up. Alternatively, you can also download the app from the Play Store or App Store and then sign up using your email address. Again, same thing, and then you can create an account. But once you've already created the account with your email address, you will get to this screen here. So once inside, you'll go through a short onboarding process where the app asks you about your experience level and goals. Just answer those questions. So based on your answers, Finalo will create a personalized learning path so you can start from scratch or jump into more advanced topic. Keep in mind most features require subscription because sometimes you have a 3 days trial where you can try, but after that you might need to go for a subscription plan to unlock the full access. Okay, so once you set up your learning path, you will get to this screen here. So this is the features of the application. You have the learning section here. This learning section is the one that has all your courses here. Okay, so it's you have all your courses for each day. So it's a 24-day course. So for each day you have these little lessons here which you might need to complete. So you have from day 1 up to day 28. Okay, to start the course, simply click on the lesson icon here and you have the option to either read the course, or if you don't want to read, you can also listen to it as an audio. Okay, do that. You can just read it, and then at the end of each lesson there will be like a little quiz which helps you with your understanding. You can answer that, so you can complete each of your learnings for each day. If every day you just complete your learning, and this will help you with your overall understanding with the with Finalo. Apart from that, you have the tools here. Okay, these tools, actually this is one of Finalo's most powerful tools. Okay, the AI chat analyzer, it helps you upload your chart. So for example, if you click on analyze now, and here you just have to upload your chat here. So if you upload your chat here, it will automatically identify the trends, patterns, the key price levels to help you understand what's happening in the market. It's especially helpful for beginners who struggle with technical analysis. However, it's important to remember that it gives you the insights, not a guaranteed prediction. So be careful. But this tool, it's very handy, and you have other market AI tools as well, like market forecasters, smart pattern finder, which you can use in order to find the trends and help you analyze it. And also you have this AI mentor. This mentor acts like your personal trading coach. So it's available 24/7 and it allows you to ask questions about trading strategies or market basics. You'll get instant personalized guidance tailored to your learning level. Okay, think this is like something having a tutor in your pocket whenever you're stuck or confused. That's this AI mentor, which is pretty cool. And here the portfolio section. So this portfolio section is where you have the simulator and everything, where you can practice trading with virtual money. So you can buy assets here. So if you click on buy assets, you can now choose the assets here. So what you want to buy. So you have different stocks as well as crypto assets here. So you can choose. So for example, these are the assets here, and you see there is a indicator here, which there is a indicator here in a green with a little arrow going up, which means the stock is doing well. It's going up at the moment. And you have another one in a violet color with a like a trend arrow going down, which means that the stock is at the moment going a bit down. So based on this is a clear indicator of the stocks, on how they are performing. So you can click on it. So you can like select one. If you click on the stock, what happens, you will see all the details about that stock. So you can like look at the charts and the positions about it and all those details. So you can, before you buy, you can check this, and then you can click on the buy option and then start purchasing it if you want to buy the stock. So enter the amount and then you want to buy and hit on buy, and this will help you to buy it. So that's how you buy stocks here. So you can use this simulator and the AI mentor as well as the chat analyzer to create a full learning system. So these three actually combines helps you with a full learning system. And apart from that, you have this leaderboard here. So this is where every day when you complete your lessons and learning, you will your achievements, everything, your learnings will be reward. You'll get rewards for your learning. So it will be uploaded here. Click on start, and then you can join the weekly leaderboard. And once you complete every day, you will get rewards. This is just to keep you motivated as you learn. So you have this option here, and this is the profile section, so which you can obviously look into your overviews, your progress. You can track your progress, your rewards, and everything, your achievements, everything you can view from your profile here. As well as if you want to change your profile settings, you can click on the settings here and access your subscription plans and password or anything, all those security features and all those things. You can do that. Okay, so some tips on using these Finelo app to help you with trading. Okay, so Finelo itself doesn't actually help you to make money, so keep that in mind. It's actually a learning tool, okay, not a shortcut to profit. So what you do, I would suggest, is market the basics first. Don't rush into real trading without understanding the key concepts. So, and also the simulator, so use it seriously, like treat virtual trading like a real trading to build discipline, and don't rely blindly on AI. Always combine the AI insights with your own thinking, so which is very crucial. So don't just blindly follow it, and focus on risk management. So protecting your money is more important than chasing profits. So always be cautious and keep learning outside the app as well. So successful traders, they use multiple sources, not just one platform. So the reality is making money in trading takes time, patience, and consistency. So keep that in mind. And to sum it up, Finalo is a solid platform for beginners who want a structured way of trading, to learn trading. Okay, with features like these AI mentor, chat analysis, and simulator, it provides a safe environment to learn, practice, and improve. But remember, it's not a magic solution. Your results will depend on how much effort you put into learning and applying those skills that you gained from learning. If you treat Finalo as a tool for education rather than an instant income, it can be a valuable part of your trading journey.